So I've been influenced. Usually with TikTok ads, I'm really good about saying no. Like, I'm not one to see something and be like, oh, I need to get that. This, if you're unfamiliar with, it's basically a blow dryer. It's really looking like it gets the blow drying job done in a quick manner, and it does a really nice job of just like, you know, giving your hair that swoop. The only thing is, I've been seeing so many ads for this on TikTok and Reels, but every time it's like an ad, so I never know truly, and I trust y'all. It's not like I don't trust y'all, but I never know truly like if y'all love it or if you're just loving it for the coin, which I'm like, I feel you, like get your coin, but I'm like, I need to know. So I thought we'd test it today. So this is the box that came in, and it's actually huge. I did not expect it to be that big, but here we are. This will be my first blow dryer with this hair color in, so many new things happening. As I ordered mine off of Amazon, I will link it down below. Also, I don't think you have to get this specific brand. I've seen so many off-brand ones. I feel like it's just like the shape of it, regardless of what brand you get. It's the cylinder shape of the brush and the fact that hot air comes through it. Also, I'm doing this so late. It is like 10 o'clock p.m. So I'm hoping, the goal is that this cuts down two things. I want it to cut down on my blow drying time. Like, I want it to cut that time in half. And then I don't want it to snag either. I basically got a bunch of chai products. They're Silk Infusion, heat protectant. Okay, so first impressions, the first few turns were rough. Okay, I was like, I also was just trying to get the motion of it because my blow dryer has never been like that. I've always had the standard, like the real OG one, or my one that's kind of like a flat one and you use it like a brush. This one is kind of similar, but I was trying to do the wraparound method because that's what I saw a lot of the girls doing. It didn't give me a bump like I thought it would, but it did a decent job. I'm not mad at this, I'm not mad at all. I definitely want to add some of the Silk Infusion to it just to give it a little shine. gonna do two like little twists, and I will go over my final thoughts on the blow dryer. First of all, it's not bad per se, but it's not amazing. I don't know if it was just me, but I was kind of having trouble gripping like the side of it to turn it up, or I don't even know what I was expecting. I think I was expecting it to like turn in a flipped motion up. I mean, I think it did a decent job. I mean, my hair feels soft, but also it doesn't feel super soft, but also I just dyed it, so well, I would give it like a 7 out of 10. So I guess my verdict is it enough for you to run out and buy it? But it's decent. Also, I don't think it really cut down my hair time by much. I think it took just as much time to do it. I'm still deciding if I like the shape or not. I truly am. But also, I think it will be really good if you're doing like blowout styles, or if you're doing like a press style and you want a little bump or a little flip at the end. So I think it's really good for that. Like I said, it wasn't bad. It's about just as good as my other blow dryers, I would say. It feels nice, and I do like being able to go down in this sweeping motion. I also just love that these are attached. It comes attached. I'm like, I don't have to attach anything. I think that's what's helpful too, is that you don't have to like pull a comb through while you're blow drying, so. I'm sweating so much. Okay, so final thoughts and verdict. I'm really excited that I bought this. Like I said, I would give this like an 8 out of 10. I don't know what I gave it before, but we'll bump it up to 8 now. That's gonna be it for my video today. I think the hair turned out really cute. Like I said, this was practice because I'm gonna straighten it soon, so I do need to get used to working this. If you guys like this video, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. Let's be YouTube friends forever. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.